Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Ravinder. I've been in this amalgamation group for last 33 years. I'm basically a mechanical engineer, and I head engineering and advanced engineering projects. I came to this consortium just to understand where this EV platform is going on. We know ICE engines is going to get replaced by EV vehicles, and EV means it doesn't give you only electric. Vehicle means it is right from the energy source to the power which comes to our mobility. So we need to understand exactly where exactly the opportunities are, and this climate consortium will definitely give uh, an eye opener to understand many things on research front as well as on potential business opportunities for our India. I think that is the main idea that I have come here to learn many things from. I see many IITians from Leyland and everything, and Leyland is our customer, and so therefore we came here to learn many things and implement things in near future. And thank you, Narsimhan, for this opportunity. Thank you so much.